Congress, the legislative branch. The legislative branch is made up of the two houses of Congress. The first is called the Senate, and the second is called the House of Representatives. The most important duty of the legislative branch is to make our laws. Congress works in the Capitol building. In the Senate, there are 100 senators in the Senate. There are 2 senators from each of the states. The senators are elected by their own states and serve for 6 years. The Vice President of the United States is the head of the Senate. The Senate approves nominations made by the President to the Cabinet, the Supreme Court, federal courts, and other important positions. The House of Representatives. There are 435 representatives in the House of Representatives. The number of representatives each state gets is based on the population, or the number of people that live in that state. Representatives are elected by their states and serve a 2-year term. The Speaker of the House, elected by the representatives, is the leader of the House.